Itel FRP bypass nakubitambala pieces. Pieces. Okay. So go back to the previous menu, change the language to Arabic. The language to Arabic. Go. Go. After here, onto Wi-Fi. Go back at Wi-Fi. Search Wi-Fi. It's there, but we want this field. Wrong place here. This here. This here. Go to number 4. Come here. Go back. This here. Go back here. Come here. Ndikwanzi walinzira kwacheta chikemu. Write the word share here. It's in Arabic. This button here. The word share. Search. Is this first button? Yeah, share button. Share button. Email. Okay. Continue here. Add account. Any account at Gmail. Gmail.com. I want you to see here on this button. It's now working. Scroll down. This button here. Okay. So it's failed. Put this error. So go back at the previous menu and change language. Come here. Put in English. Your home, any of your home language. Leave it to go. Go. So here, this is not working. We have put error. We have put this. It is now done. So that is all. After putting password, you can go back to the previous menu to go offline. If you want to go offline, go back. Now the skip button is working, you see, after putting password. So go offline. In this case, even if you remove Wi-Fi, see, offline is more quicker than lingering there. So it is now working. So you go there in settings and remove security lock. Remove the password and put none. And that is all. So thanks for watching. Yes, if you want to, for now you have used the speed, have been on the highway. But for you can follow the videos. Follow the video if you want good results. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more latest updates.